we start what's called paradoxical agenda setting.
Mm-hmm.
And the first step is called the invitation step. And you essentially you invite the patient to ask you for help.
Mm-hmm.
And it's kind of based on the biblical notion, ask and you shall receive. And so I said, Ramesh, you mentioned a lot of different things here. We've been talking, different problems that are bumming you out, and they're real, and I can see that you're hurting a lot. And I'd like to give you more than just warmth and listening and support. I've got some great tools to share with you, and I'd really like to show you how to change your life. And I'm wondering, would this be a good time for us to start? Or do you need more time to talk and have me listen, because that's important too. So he said yes, he wants to get down to work. And now the second step in what we call paradoxical agenda setting is called specificity. And there's two levels of specificity. What do you want help with? And give me a particular moment when that problem happened. So Ramesh said, well, I want help with my low self-esteem. Can you help me with that? And I said, wow, I'd love to help you with that. That's my favorite topic. I've written books on that, and it's just it's really a fun thing.
Okay.
And what a joy it would be to work with you. But can you give me a moment when you were feeling low self-esteem? What time of day was it? Where were you? What did the other person say? What did you say next? And this concept of specificity is based on the Buddhist notion that you can only help a person for one instant of their life. And so the patient has to bring a real moment that they want help.